Have you ever wondered if the universe is listening to you? Do you sometimes feel like your actions and thoughts are connected to something greater than yourself? The truth is, the universe is always paying attention to the signals we send out through our actions. Every choice we make, every thought we think, and every action we take has the power to shape our reality and influence the world around us. At the core of our interaction with the universe lies the power of intention. When we set clear intentions for what we want to achieve or experience, we begin to align our actions with those desires. Intentions act as a compass, guiding us towards the outcomes we seek. By being mindful of our intentions and ensuring that our actions are in harmony with them, we open ourselves up to the limitless possibilities the universe has to offer. The law of attraction is a fundamental principle that governs the relationship between our thoughts, actions, and the reality we experience. This law states that like attracts like. The energy we put out into the universe vibrates at a certain frequency, and we attract experiences and circumstances that match that frequency. In other words, if we focus on positive thoughts and actions, we are more likely to attract positive outcomes into our lives. Conversely, if we dwell on negativity and engage in actions that are not in alignment with our true desires, we may find ourselves stuck in a cycle of unwanted experiences. As we navigate through life, the universe communicates with us in subtle and sometimes mysterious ways. Synchronicity refers to the meaningful coincidences that occur in our lives, those moments when things seem to align perfectly, as if the universe is sending us a message. These signs can come in many forms, such as a chance encounter with someone who has the exact information we need, or a sudden inspiration that leads us in a new direction. By being open to these signs and paying attention to the synchronicities in our lives, we can gain valuable insights and guidance from the universe. It's important to recognize that our actions, no matter how small they may seem, have the power to create a ripple effect in the world around us. Every interaction we have, every decision we make, and every action we take sends out ripples of energy that can impact others in ways we may never fully understand. By being mindful of the energy we put out into the universe, we can strive to create positive ripples that uplift and inspire those around us. Small acts of kindness, compassion, and generosity can go a long way in making the world a better place. One of the most powerful ways to align our actions with the universe is through the practice of gratitude. When we cultivate a deep sense of appreciation for the blessings in our lives, we open ourselves up to the flow of abundance. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we already have, and in doing so, it attracts more positive experiences and opportunities into our lives. By making gratitude a daily practice, whether it's through journaling, meditation, or simply taking a moment to appreciate the small joys in life, we send a clear signal to the universe that we are ready to receive more of what we are thankful for. As we strive to align our actions with the universe, it's natural to encounter obstacles and challenges along the way. These obstacles can come in many forms, such as self-doubt, fear, or external circumstances that seem to block our path. However, it's important to remember that these challenges are often opportunities for growth and learning. By maintaining a positive mindset and persevering through difficult times, we demonstrate to the universe that we are resilient and committed to our goals. When we view obstacles as stepping stones rather than barriers, we open ourselves up to the guidance and support of the universe in overcoming them. To effectively align our actions with the universe, it's crucial to engage in regular self-reflection and introspection. By taking the time to examine our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the patterns that may be holding us back. Self-reflection allows us to identify areas where we may be out of alignment with our true desires and values, and it provides us with the opportunity to make conscious changes. Through honest self-assessment and a willingness to grow, we can begin to shift our actions in a direction that is more in harmony with the universe and our highest good. One of the most challenging aspects of aligning our actions with the universe is learning to let go of attachment to specific outcomes. When we become too fixated on how we think things should unfold, we can inadvertently block the flow of universal guidance and support. Instead, it's important to cultivate a sense of trust in the universe and its timing. This means surrendering our need to control every aspect of our lives and allowing ourselves to be open to the possibilities that arise. When we let go of rigid expectations and trust that the universe has our best interests at heart, we create space for miracles to occur. So how can we begin to align our actions with the universe in a practical way? Here are some actionable steps you can take to get started. Set clear intentions. Take some time to reflect on what you truly desire in life. Write down your intentions and review them regularly to keep them at the forefront of your mind. Practice mindfulness. Be present at the moment and pay attention to your thoughts and actions. Notice when you are acting in alignment with your intentions and when you may be veering off course. Cultivate gratitude. Make gratitude a daily practice. Keep a gratitude journal or simply take a few moments each day to appreciate the blessings in your life. Act with kindness and compassion. Look for opportunities to spread kindness and compassion to others. Small acts of generosity and understanding can create positive ripples in the world around you. Trust the journey. Embrace the ups and downs of life, knowing that every experience is an opportunity for growth and learning. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, even if it's not always clear in the moment. Meditate and connect with your inner wisdom. Take time each day to quiet your mind and connect with your inner guidance. Meditation can help you access the wisdom of the universe and gain clarity on your path. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out people, places, and experiences that uplift and inspire you. Surround yourself with positive energy and influences that support your growth and alignment with the universe. As we come to the end of our exploration of how our actions signal the universe, it's important to remember that the power to co-create our reality lies within each of us. Every moment presents an opportunity to choose thoughts and actions that are in harmony with our highest good and the greater good of all. By being mindful of the energy we put out into the universe, we can begin to shape our lives in a way that is more fulfilling, joyful, and purposeful. The journey of aligning our actions with the universe is an ongoing process, and it requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to grow. It's not about perfection, but rather about progress and the consistent effort to live in a way that honors our true selves and the interconnectedness of all things. As you embark on this path, remember to be gentle with yourself and trust in the wisdom of the universe. Start small and celebrate each step forward, knowing that every action you take is a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive its love, guidance, and support. The universe is always listening, and it responds to the energy we put out through our actions. By aligning our thoughts, words, and deeds with our highest intentions, we open ourselves up to a world of limitless possibilities and the incredible potential for personal and spiritual growth. So take a deep breath, trust in the journey, and know that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Your actions matter, and they have the power to create a ripple effect of positivity and change in the world around you. Together, let us step forward with intention, gratitude, and an open heart, ready to co-create a reality that is filled with love, joy, and endless opportunities for growth and expansion.